Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and yes, it's the end of February. Can you believe it? Which means it is time to meet my Christmas challenge, which is basically where I have told myself that I will be making at least one Christmas card every month for the year in 2022. And I got off to a good start in January. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above so that you can check that out. This month I thought I would pull out an SCT Sampler. I got a little behind on using these, and so I thought this would be a good opportunity. Let me share with you what I got in the kit and we'll take it from there. Okay, so one of the pieces we always get is an acrylic type word from the theme of the SCT kit. So I've got that. We received some acrylic shapes from the Close to My Heart collection, which was called Deck the Palms, and it is a Christmas themed collection. I actually have the full collection for this, but I bought it more for the travel band than for the Christmas, but it can play both ways. So for instance, this particular side of the sheet is, you know, more seasonally themed, but this is just tropical, so you could go either which way. Got a pink star and a plaid, a little floral, and again a jungle leaf print, a pink watercolor, pink stripe, green, kind of watercolor-ish, and a green check, and then some gifts and some tropical flowers. Now the acrylic pieces, I believe the intent behind that was that these are supposed to form like the bow from a gift, but I don't know if this is going to fit exactly. It doesn't look like it, but you could probably still make it work. I think I do have the stamp set, but again, I don't think I got the Christmas one. I think I bought it for the travel. Anyways, I could go either which way with this, and to be honest, I'm thinking I will probably still lean toward the tropical side as opposed to Christmas, but you know, once I get going, I may change my mind. But mostly what I was thinking of using for this month's challenge is the Doodlebug papers and stickers and embellishments. So I got quite a few ephemera pieces which would easily make center points on Christmas cards. I've got the little doodle pop with Santa in his truck. Some tags, which of course always make great pieces for card bases. And then I also have all the stickers. So there's lots of opportunities here for some great fun cards. We have the stripe in typical Doodlebug colors. The other side are a bunch of trees. This is a random white dot on red and some snowflakes, a plaid, and a floral. And then we have the polar bears. Oh, they're so cute. Polar bears, penguin, and little whale, and some mountains, and then a red candy stripe, some borders, and then the icon sheet. And then we have, it looks like a countdown, and on this side is a dot. So I think I can make quite a few cards out of just the Doodlebug stuff alone, which is, again, like I said, what I think I'm going to focus on. So without further ado, let me get going and I will come back and show you what I made. So I made a bunch of cards using the Doodlebug product from the kit that I just showed you, and let's see what I all made. So I made this cute little card using a bunch of the little stickers, and on the inside I added a strip of paper and a gold washi tape. This was from Felicity Jane. I love using tags as a focal point on cards. It just makes it super easy. I stamped a sentiment, and on the inside I just added two little candy cane stickers. For this one I did a little bit of ink blending to form the sky and then the water, and then just added the little critters. I did pick the ones that kind of fit more with the water kind of look. I like how that one turned out. And then on the inside I added the little heart stickers and a little snow globe sticker. For this one I used the blue paper that had kind of all different little animals and mountains to kind of form a little scene. I used the big chalet, Santa on a sleigh, and then a tree in the background. And then on the inside of this one, I used some of the border paper. I then took the Doodle Pop and created a card with that. I added a stripe of the border paper to kind of form a road, and the tag up here was one of the embellishment pieces. And then on the inside of this one, I used the Santa faces. This was another tag, but it did not have any images on it. It was just the plaid. And so I added one of the deer on some foam tape, the large snowflake ephemera, a little heart ephemera, and then a little snowflake sticker. This is some gold cord that I've had in my stash for forever. It's an old Stampin' Up cord, but you could use a metallic embroidery floss for the same effect. And then on the inside of this one, I added another border strip from the border paper. Here's another pre-printed tag, again just layered on top of some cardstock, and this was also a piece of the striped cardstock. And I didn't do anything really special with this other than add the bow. And then on the inside, some scrap paper I used to kind of embellish the interior, and then more of that gold washi tape. I created another scene with that blue background paper and then a couple of the larger die cut pieces. Supposed to look like Santa is skiing down a hill, I guess. I pulled out a stamp set. I think this was from Simon Says Stamp. Yep, Simon Says Stamp. It's called Big Scripty Greetings Holiday. And I did not put anything on the interior of this one. Another tag, this time I added some of the stickers on some foam tape just to make it look like he had more gifts falling out of his sleigh, and then the same idea with some scraps and washi. This one has this adorable little snowman. I added him on top of the tab just to give him a place to sit. A couple of ephemera pieces, that same scripty font. On the inside, I had another one of the strips from the border paper, and I cut out the snow globe from one of the pattern papers. And then the last one I made is a slimline card, and I used up a ton of stickers on this one. As soon as I saw the cable cars, I knew that I needed to create a scene, and so I just ran some silver cord, similar to the gold cord I was using. It's an old Stampin' Up product, and just created a little scene with this. There is some dimension with the snow part that is raised up on a foam tape. And then from the sticker sheet, I don't think it was intended to be a sticker, but there is this striped border, which I trimmed out on the bottom, and I did not decorate the inside of this one. So I more than exceeded my one card for this month. Are you playing along with my Christmas card challenge, where you make at least one card every month so that hopefully by the end of the year you have already started on all the cards that you will need? I'd love to hear if you are, and how is it going. And until next time, happy crafting.